Das Kind, die Kinder. Die Banane, die Bananen. Isn't there a standard ending for the plural form in German? No, there isn't. That's the bad news. But the good news is there are some rules. Join me and explore this topic in the following video. Today we talk about the plural form of nouns. As you know, there is only one article in the plural, die. So no matter whether it's der, die, das in the singular, it will be die in the plural. Unfortunately, we cannot simply add a standard ending to the noun to form the plural. We have 5 different endings and some irregular endings as well. There are some rules, but also a lot of exceptions. So the following explanations will help you to get an idea how to form the plural for a specific noun. I want you to understand which plural forms exist and which ones are most common. Basically, it's best to learn the plural forms as you expand your vocabulary, just as you learn the articles. Let's start with the different endings. The most common ending is n or en. So know which nouns form the plural this way. Almost all nouns ending with an e. Die Hose, die Hosen. Der Hase, die Hasen. Das Bett, die Betten. So no matter if the article is der, die, das, we often add an n. It also applies to a lot of feminine words. Die Frau, die Frauen. Here we have to add an e. The ending en is also typical for a group of women. Die Ärztin, die Ärztinnen. In this case we have to add an extra n. Remember, for the female form of a profession we add the ending in. Der Lehrer, die Lehrerin. Der Arzt, die Ärztin. The last category for the ending en is specific endings of the noun itself, like heit or ion. So as a beginner you don't know too many of these words, nevertheless some examples. Die Überraschung, die Überraschungen. Die Nation, die Nationen. Die Freiheit, die Freiheiten. Our second ending is also very common, it's simply an e. Das Tier, die Tiere. Das Brot, die Brote. Der Tisch, die Tische. Die Hand, die Hände. Der Freund, die Freunde. We can find this ending with all 3 articles, and generally we can only say that short nouns fall in this category. Our third ending is er. Das Kind, die Kinder. Das Bild, die Bilder. Der Geist, die Geister. So we find this ending with a lot of neutral short nouns and some male nouns, but never with female nouns. The fourth option is that we add no ending at all. Der Kuchen, die Kuchen. Der Computer, die Computer. Often nouns in this category end with er or en. The fifth option is the ending is s. This applies to a lot of nouns with foreign origins or endings with o. Das Kino, die Kinos. Das Handy, die Handys. Der Shop, die Shops. Die Party, die Partys. So let's practice some examples together. Unfortunately, there is a number of irregular endings left where you can't find any rule at all. For example, die Arztpraxis, die Arztpraxen. Die Firma, die Firmen. Moreover, abstract nouns don't form a plural. For example, der Regen, der Durst, der Hass. So I hope this overview gave you a little idea how to form the plural and a bit of orientation. Thanks so much for watching.